The Supreme Court emphasized the separation of religion from politics while hearing petitions regarding the Tirupati Laddoo controversy. Allegations surfaced claiming animal fats like beef tallow and fish oil were found in the ghee used to make laddoos at Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams (TTD), sparking political tensions in Andhra Pradesh. Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu's public statements criticizing his rival YS Jagan Mohan Reddy were scrutinized, especially since Naidu had already initiated an investigation. The court expressed dissatisfaction with Naidu's comments, questioning the need to involve the media before the inquiry's completion. It noted a lack of definitive proof of contamination and whether the ghee in question was even used to prepare the laddoos. The Supreme Court also highlighted a false positive caveat from the Gujarat lab report, which tested samples from tankers that were reportedly never used in the temple's kitchen. The controversy has drawn political figures from both the BJP and YSR Congress party into a heated exchange. BJP leader Subramaniam Swamy filed a petition requesting a detailed forensic report from the Andhra government, while YV Subba Reddy, a YSRCP Rajya Sabha MP and former TTD chairperson, sought an independent special investigation team to probe the allegations. As the court continues to hear the case, it has stressed the importance of maintaining respect for religious sentiments and refraining from politicizing the issue without clear evidence. The matter is now set for further hearing.